Today I'm going to show you how you can trade Dash on Whitebit exchange very easily. First of all, I'll show you how you can register yourself on the exchange. You can visit the exchange by typing whitebit.com directly into your browser, or you can click the link that I've provided in the description to sign up. Once you're on the sign up page, you have to enter your email, password and confirm password. You need to agree to all the user agreements and then click on register. You will receive an email for the confirmation. Just click the confirmation link from the email and your account will be confirmed. Now log in into the exchange. Now I'll show you guys how you can complete KYC. To complete the KYC, you need to go on options and you have to select security. From security you have to go into verification. You just need to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, birth date, your gender, your residential address, select the city, country, street address, house, apartment and zip, and just click on next step. In next step you'll be asked to enter the information of your ID. Just have to enter the ID info and select your country and just click next. Once you're done entering information about your ID, in the next step you'll be asked to click a selfie of yourself holding a piece of paper with whitebit.com written on it and today's date. Once you are done with the selfie, just click next and your status will be under review. The team from the exchange will review your KYC status, and if it's approved, you'll receive a mail saying that your KYC was successful. Now we'll see how you can trade Dash on Whitebit exchange. If you want to buy or sell Dash on the current market price instantly, all you need to do is just go to the exchange option and you need to type Dash in this search box, and then you have to select the currency that you want to exchange Dash with. The available pairs if you want to exchange Dash are USD, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Once you select the pair, enter the amount of Dash you want to exchange. For example, if it's 5 Dash, this is the exact amount of BTC that you will receive. Then click on agree to user agreements and then click on exchange. However, if you want to buy or sell Dash at the price of your choice, go to the live trading and search for Dash. These are the pairs in which Dash is available to trade. Select Dash to BTC. Now these are all the selling orders and these are the buying orders for Dash. This is where you can put buy orders and this is for selling Dash. This is our available balance in BTC. Click on topmost selling order. Click on max if you want to purchase the Dash of entire amount. Just make sure everything is right and just click on buy. You'll be asked to confirm that are you sure about this trade, and you just need to click on confirm and your dash order will be executed. You can put the price of your choice. For the sake of video, I've just selected the first order. Now we'll go to the balance and just check if the trade is executed. As you can see, we have the Dash in our balance 0.188, which is worth $13.69. Now we'll see that how you can sell your purchased Dash. As you can see, we've got the balance 0.188 Dash. Click on the first buying order and select the entire amount and then click on sell and confirm the order, and you can see that your Dash is sold. Go to the balance and you can see that we have BTC of the exact amount. So now let's check out the instance and feature of Whitebit exchange. For that you have to click on codes, then select the currency. Make sure you have a little bit of balance. Select the currency, click on max and then just click on create code. You'll be sent an email to confirm the code creation. As soon as you click on the email, your code will be created. As you can see, the new code is generated for Dash for this amount. Now just click on this code, it will get copied. Click on the activate code, paste your code here and just click on activate. Complete the captcha. and your code will be activated. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and this new will be turned into activated. Just refresh your page once, and as you can see, this is activated and your code is generated. Now you can transfer Dash instantly between Whitebit Exchange users.